Greetings BBQ Crasher subscribers. In this video we are going to teach you how to modify your pre-existing or brand new propane or natural gas grill with ceramic briquettes, and we're going to put them right above the flavor bar and below the grate. It's going to give you the best cooking experience that you're ever going to have on a natural gas or propane fuel source. You could even take completely frozen chicken and turn it into something awesome with the rock stone cooking of ceramics. Come follow the adventure. Let there be smoke. I hope you find some value with this video. It's one of my favorite barbecue modifications and will work on any grill. If you learned something or benefited from it, please share it with others so they could also follow the adventure. We're going to start off with a box of gas grilled ceramic briquettes that we picked up from Restaurant Depot. They were $9 a box. They're square and flat on one side and have a pyramid shape on the other side. We also have a $20 aftermarket charbroil grate that we picked up from Walmart, and it's an accordion style, so it spans and it can be adjusted from a minimum to maximum size, and in my case it'll fit into my grill perfectly. We take out the original grates. Now's a good time to clean up the old grill. And we're just going to lay the adjustable new grate right on top of the flavor bars. And that's what's holding it into place. We have about a ½ inch clearance now, where we could then start applying the briquettes on top of the newly installed grate. Now I found that you don't want to go too tight of a pattern with the briquettes. I ended up having to take a few off after some tweaking, and you have to allow for some heat and some spent flue gas to come through for the higher burns. So you're gonna have to experiment with it to find what works best for your system. Mine happens to be a 3-burner. I'm putting the original grates back on top, and take it from me, I have a nice even heat source right now, and the heat is being transferred right to those acrylic briquettes. Look at the job it does of controlling the flare-ups of all that bacon grease falling down there. Now by far this is going to be one of your most exciting adventures in barbecuing, because you're going to have all of the tactile field and adjustments of the dials of propane or natural gas. You could go low and slow, you could go high heat, you could bake pizza, Himalayan sea salt, you could do pierogies, you could do cast iron, you could do frozen chicken, absolutely frozen, and turn it into a beautiful masterpiece by cooking it over rocks. Almost like a caveman style rock cook. It's gonna blow you out of the water. It's one of my favorite ways to cook. So convenient, especially after a long day of work. Anything you put on this thing, you can control that heat. It's so nice and even. Dutch ovens, it's unstoppable. Well, I hope you learned something. Please share it with others, like, subscribe, and hit the alert button for new content.